Hello beautiful people, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you traditional way of frying groundnuts, local way of frying groundnuts. You will be seeing the step-by-step video on how to fry your groundnut in today's video. Hi guys, so this is the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to select the bad ones and throw them away. Then I'll select the good ones and wash it with my salt. Then I'm going to sun dry it before frying it. So with me here, I have half pint of groundnut. I'm working with half pint of groundnut. So the second stage is making of my local firewood. I'm going to be using firewood to make this groundnut. There is this particular taste that it gives to your groundnut after frying it. So that is the reason why I said local way of making your groundnut. So I'm trying to make my fire. After making my fire, I will move into the next step. It's not as if that you cannot fry your groundnut with your gas cooker, but this way there is this particular taste that it gives to our groundnut. So that's why I'm making it locally. So I'm trying to make my fire. After making my fire, I will move into the next step. Please keep watching this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end if you want to learn how to fry your groundnut traditionally. Don't skip this video. Keep watching this video. So the next step is stirring step. I will continue to stir this groundnut until it is done. I won't stop stirring it because if you stop stirring it, it might get burnt. So you continue doing it this way until it is done. Make sure you're not making your groundnut or frying your groundnut with a high heat. Continue monitoring the fire. Make sure the fire is on the medium side. Don't use high heat. Please guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we have amazing recipes to share and we also have the ones that we've shared already. You can scroll back to watch our old videos. And for my returning subscribers, I'm so glad for having you guys back. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and like my video. Don't forget to give me a good comment. Remember the notification bell. Click on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time we post our new videos. Hi guys, so there are a lot of things that you can do with your groundnut. You can package your groundnut to supply to the supermarket or maybe shops around you. You can as well use your groundnut to drink garri. This combination have been serving so since 1990. You see this combination, it is something else. You can use it to quench hunger. You get that? So we'll continue stirring our groundnut on it until it is done. Make sure you don't stop stirring it except you want your groundnut to burn. We can also use our groundnut to prepare soup. Yes, I know about that, and I'm going to share a recipe on how to prepare your soup with groundnut. It is super delicious and it is proteinous. It is a good combination. You will love it. So our groundnut will soon be ready. We'll continue to do the stirring until we notice this. Look at how you check if your groundnut is done. You can see that our groundnut is ready. You will just peel it. Once it's peeling out, you know that your groundnut is ready. So it is ready. I'm going to give it a quick stir and bring it down. So here we are, it is ready. So I'm going to filter out the sand from the groundnut. I'm going to separate the sand from the groundnut. You can see how I'm doing it. This spoon is helping me, is making the work easy and fast for me. I will continue doing this until I'm done with it. So here we are, packaging level. I am trying to package my groundnut. You can use a plastic rubber to package your groundnut, depending on the, if you want to sell it, it depends on the price tag. You can as well tie it in nylon like this and sell for 50 naira or 100 naira, depending on your location. You can see that. So I will continue to do this until I'm done with the packaging. I will also go ahead to peel some and fill it inside my bottle to sell. Thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video up to this hour, I want to appreciate you. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always joining, and thank you for always making this ministry move. I appreciate you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video.